Hello, my name is Bill Branham and I'm the Director of Operations here at CBT. Part of my responsibilities include the oversight of our belting operations department. Our belting department specializes in the manufacture of custom conveyor belts, timing belts, and other types of belting products for a variety of industrial applications. Our sales team helps select materials for the belt based on application requirements such as temperature, chemical exposure, and load capacity. Materials can include rubber, PVC, urethane, nylon, and other synthetic and natural materials. Our in-house fabrication team that creates the belt to the customer specifications use a variety of manufacturing techniques such as slitting, lacing, and vulcanizing. A rigorous quality control inspection is applied throughout the manufacturing process to ensure that the belt meets the customer's requirements and industry standards. CBT can ship custom belting products directly to the customers or provide on-site installation support if necessary. We have a trained team on staff to help with all installation needs. CBT offers maintenance and repair services to help customers keep their belting products in optimal condition and minimize downtime. CBT works with a variety of industries such as food processing, packaging, automotive manufacturing, and mining, among others. The products they manufacture play a critical role in moving materials and products throughout the production and distribution processes and can have a significant impact on efficiency and profitability of a business.